Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing.
Today we have this super cute wig install that is definitely inspired for Valentine's Day coming up. I wanted to do something a little different, and I want to give a big thank you to Kisslove Hair for sponsoring today's Valentine's Day wig install for y'all. This blonde wig is super pretty. It is an ash blonde color. I think it's perfect if you want to make a statement for Valentine's Day or any day in general. I think it's the perfect switch up if you want to rock blonde or you want to try blonde. Don't be afraid. You definitely got to try blonde at least one time in your life, okay? They say blondes have more fun, and I think it's so true. So this is their ash blonde 13 by 4 inch HD lace frontal wig. It is 250% density. She's super full, okay? And she is 28 inches long, y'all. I feel like blonde goes so perfectly with pink. You know, pink is one of the colors that we love to wear and rock for Valentine's Day. So I feel like blonde and pink, they go together, okay? So if you would like to see how I installed this wig today and styled her, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. So I did my makeup off camera, y'all, and this is how the hairline install turned out. Not bad for a blonde wig. I always feel like it's a little harder to blend the lace on these wigs. Let's go ahead and style her up. I'm gonna do a middle parting today. So let's part her down the middle. Next, I'm gonna take my ebon wax stick and we're gonna use this to get that parting area nice and laid. Then I'm gonna take my spritz
and spray it around the parting area as well. Then I'm gonna take my hot comb and we're gonna get this nice and flat, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take a brush and just brush through these curls and see how it's looking. So I'm first gonna take this front part of the hair and I'm going to add layers to this hair. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and I'll be right back. So while my curling iron is warming up, I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of concealer to my parting area. And this is gonna make it so it's visible. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. I'm going to fast forward through this so you don't have to sit in real time with me. And then I'll be back talking once I finish curling up this hair. I'm gonna be curling the hair with a Hot Tools curling iron away from my face. Y'all have seen me do this a million times. Let's go.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it on my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the
Let's go ahead and comb out the hair. Now that we went ahead and curled the entire head, I'm gonna use this wide tooth comb and just gently comb out these curls so we get some nice, gorgeous, big curls like I like. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. So gorgeous. So we finished installing this wig and styling her up. I think that this install turned out super cute, especially for Valentine's Day. Let me know what hairstyle y'all plan on rocking for Valentine's Day this year, or if you're staying in, let me know what your plans are. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Kisslove Hair, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. And if you have not already checked out my latest video, I did an updated 2024 brow tutorial for thin, sparse brows. I'm gonna leave the link right here for y'all to go check that out next.